I'm Nia Wassink. I have been a partner since fall of 2017. And before that, I was with a nonprofit investee of Social Venture Partners. So I've been around this group for many, many years. I work on a lot of direct client projects for investees, especially in the fundraising world. Work with our board resource team that we're getting up and running right now. And I also sit on the giving committee internal to SVP. SVP Boulder County is all about being part of and helping to develop a community where everybody has an opportunity to thrive. The way we do that through our programming is through in-depth investment in nonprofits, both financial but then volunteers to help organizations develop capacity. We really believe that our collective work as partners allows these organizations to grow and thrive and allows their programs to grow and have a deeper impact. So therefore, our community as a whole is benefited. The SVP model, which is implemented internationally, at its core includes both skilled volunteerism. We're not going in and putting cans on shelves. We're doing really deep capacity building work with organizations, but that is then paired with funds that are general operating so that our organizations can really grow and thrive and use those funds wherever they need to make the investment. And with the what we do here in Boulder County with our 3.5-year investment, we are really trying to set them up for future growth and success. We want to ensure that at the end of all the projects we've done together, we've really left them in a better place to do more work at a deeper level to more people or whatever growth might look like for them. Another project I worked on was with the YWCA of Boulder County. This was early on in our investment with them. They had also just gone through some significant changes, some leadership changes, and they realized that they very desperately needed a strong strategic plan so that they could figure out where they're going into the future. And so as a partner, I stepped in to help lead that process, and it was fantastic because they had already really set up kind of the scaffolding of what they wanted their strategic planning process to look like. And then I was able to come in and kind of shepherd them through the rest of the process. So their board members and staff could really focus on the nuts and bolts of who they wanted to be as they grew up. And I could just ensure that we got to that end product of having a really strong strategic plan. And then I was able to come in a year later and help do some training in a board retreat. And it was so great to see that they were continuing to live by the strategic plan. They were continuing to talk about the goals. They had made significant progress. And so they were really utilizing the strategic plan, not just as a document, but truly as a roadmap for where they're going as an organization. So I think that even in that first 6 months of investment, we really helped set the YWCA of Boulder County up for growth and success long term. And of course, we've had many, many projects since then, and we'll continue to through the rest of their investment. One thing I've really enjoyed about being a partner is working with other partners. They're very giving of themselves. They are really interested in a strong community. And most of the partners are involved in volunteerism outside of SVP. And so we all bring that experience to the table. And I have to say, even just at some of our social events, our partners are some of the most interesting people I've ever met. I just love having conversations with these folks because they all really, we have a lot of shared values about our community and supporting everybody and ensuring that we are removing barriers to people being successful and thriving here in Boulder County. So our partnership is just a wonderful group of individuals that I'm really proud to be part of.